At NBS Design and Build, we provide high-end finished carpentry services with a strong focus on quality, precision, and attention to detail. Our goal is to deliver flawless craftsmanship that enhances the beauty and value of each project. Luca, our master carpenter, is highly skilled and experienced in building custom woodwork with elegance and perfection. He is fully trained to perform all work according to Florida Building Code, ensuring safety, durability, and premium finishes. We specialize in custom work such as baseboards, casings, crown molding, wall panels, custom staircases, built-in shelves, closets, hidden doors, and detailed trim carpentry. Every piece is carefully measured, cut, and installed with precision to create clean lines and luxurious results. We use only high-quality materials and techniques to ensure a perfect and lasting finish. Our mission is to exceed client expectations and deliver work that stands out for its craftsmanship and refined appearance. We work closely with designers, architects, and builders to bring each vision to life and to make sure every detail is executed with excellence. If you're looking for expert-level finish carpentry with a luxury touch, get in touch with NBS Design and Build. We'd love to be part of your next project.